It's bad and good at the exact same time. Your mom shouts, "Come